Day 7 started with lot of bubbles and happy smiles. Soon after breakfast, we just started to church. So the Sunday menu is mango pappu charu, chicken fry, some brown rice for me and white rice for Abhi and Sai. This time I really loved the chicken fry in a different way. It really tasted like something from the restaurant. If you want to know the recipe, please let me know in the comment section. If he sees something new, he has to explore it, even if it is kitchen. This grating machine really helped me reduce my time. See how beautiful it is grating beetroot and carrot. Playing games before bed. Florida is having so many beautiful beaches. Among them, Jack's Beach is one of it. I just thought of showing you some beautiful clips which I shot during January. It is a cute family time. We did a beautiful barbecue. This is a part of our apartment where we have a beautiful space near swimming pool. Every corner feels so pleasant and beautiful to sit and eat. It feels so good to have such a beautiful partner with whom you can share any moment beautifully. Abhi enjoyed the food. He's so happy. This memory looked so heartfelt, so that is the reason I want to share here. So this is the area where we cooked. Abhi had a really good time here. The lights, weather and family time felt so peaceful.
Ngon chứ má vớt.
See you tomorrow for day 8.